guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got another wig review on today. So the wig I do have on is the melted hairline Roselyn. I got her in the color 2. What I want to say about this, I've been looking at a lot of other people's reviews on this wig, and a lot of people don't like it. They don't like this little bang piece right here. They just think it's something off. Let me tell y'all something. I love this wig. This wig is everything to me. Like, I wouldn't even cut this part off. This part right here just make the wig, it's bussin'. It's bussin'. I love this wig. It is bussin'. I love this so much. And it only comes with like little parting space. I think all of the melted hairlines have like minimal parting space. So it's just like really only for one side, really. So I really would prefer it like on this side because I normally just wear my parts on this side, but this is okay as well. So I really enjoy this wig. It fits perfectly. Like, I think this is like one of the first wigs that actually fit really well. It does come with an elastic band, comb in the back, 2 combs in the front, and adjustable hooks. I don't even mess with the adjustable hooks simply because it got the elastic band on here, so we straight. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see here, like, I just got on like one of my wig caps so you can kind of like see it right there, but like, of course, when I'm far away, you don't see it. You see it now, and when I'm far away, you don't see it, so I don't really care. I'm not wearing no glue today. I don't care. I just don't feel like gluing nothing down, so if the wind blow, flap. And I put just a bit of wig dealer here, but that's going to come up some too. So I had like a little problem. I was trying to do something with the baby hairs. I looked at a tutorial on how to do the baby hairs without having to try to like gel it down and stuff like that. Because, you know, I wanted to really do something different. I wanted to really make my baby hairs look as pretty as possible if I could. And without all the messy gel, the edge control, you know, whatever that you put on there to make your baby hairs look like baby hairs, you know, without it being hard and sticky and all that type of stuff. So I watched Miss Precious Marie video. I can put the link down below for y'all to see, because when I looked at it, she said that she had saw it from somebody else, and you know, you can check that particular link out too. I haven't watched that video just yet, but I was looking at Miss Precious Marie because she has like all the most amazing tips that you can do with your lace front wigs. So what she did was like try to like get a flat iron. After you cut your baby hairs, you get like a flat iron and you just kind of like do a bend in it and like a swoop with it, you know, to make it look like natural baby hairs. That way you won't have to glue it down. You don't have to edge control. Excuse me, you won't have to glue it down, you won't have to edge control it or anything like that. But you know, mine failed, maybe because it's a synthetic wig. I don't know. I am open to tips on that. You can say anything you want, but like I just had to put like a bit of edge control here or whatever, because after I flipped it with the flat iron, this part right here didn't seem to want to stay down no more, so I had to put like a little bit of edge control there. And I just kind of swooped it to the side. But anyway, I'm not wearing no glue today. I really like this wig. I got it from glamourtress.com. Yeah, I got it from glamourtress.com, and you know, a lot of these wigs were running out of different colors, so you know, I was happy that they had this one back in stock in the color too. All right, you guys. That is my review on this today. I really like it. It's very snug, and it may be big head friendly. It just might. I think so. You know, but I like it. I love it, actually. Like, if I just want a short wig to throw on and go, and this bob too, and this long piece right here, oh, I love this long piece. I would never cut it. I would never cut it. It just makes it pop. Makes it pop. But anyway, thank y'all guys for watching The Red One TV. I want you to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know what you want to see more. Thanks for watching. Guys, have an awesome day. Bye.